Come here. Yeah. Look at you walking. Ooh, come on. You can do it. Come on. No, no, don't touch that. Come on your own. One hand. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Aww, the safety of the ottoman. Mama, come here. Oh, Daddy turned on the light. Dada. Okay, sorry, let me get the coat out of the way. No, no. Gotta hold on to the ottoman. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. No, over here. Let's go. One hand. Seth, come on. You want that coat, huh? What you got over there? Mama's coat. Tata. Tata.
Come on over. You got it.
Good job, baby.
Yeah. Okay, let's build a bridge so you can go back. Ready?
Seth, come on.
Here we go.
Seth.
Look over there. You can come this way. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on.
He wants my purse. No, no, no. Okay, let's just take the temptation away.
Oh. All right, come on. Sit this way. Hey, buddy. Over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. This way.
The cord, is that going to keep you up? Come on, Mama. Seth. Do you like that? Hi. DJ. Come on. Okay. Take my hand. No, 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 no. No. Come on. He wants to take that cord from the sound system. No. There you go. Good job.
All right, give
Yay.
you up. Give you up.
Yay.
Come on.
Man, he has advanced so much in like the last month. He's tired. He's like, I can't even get up. Bedtime, Mama? You gotta get closer to it, sweetie.
I'll figure it out. I'll get his legs under you.
Yeah? Look at you. You crack me up, Seth. Did you change your mind? I love the fact that my phone has a video. Oh, look at that strong boy. Yay! He's tired. Look at him. Where you want to go? Up? Okay, say goodnight. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, bear. Bye-bye, bear.
Bye, bear. Bye-bye, bear.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Seth.
Bye.
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 Say bye-bye.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Mama.
Bedtime.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Baba.
That's right, Mama. Good job.